Ever wonder how to make your client feel more grounded on the table, especially when you're doing deeper work? One of the ways to do that is to use what we call a mother hand. And the mother hand is basically a hand that just brings comfort and grounding to your client while you're doing deeper work. So the mother hand really doesn't move as much as it stays just connected to your client. And as I'm doing that, it gives them sort of a feeling of safety and comfort as I'm kind of getting deeper in, particularly around her scapula where she's got some stuff going on here that I kind of want to work on. And so I might be a little bit deeper through this area. And as I'm doing that, I'm just going to leave this hand gently on her body, kind of connected to her. Now, depending on where you're working, you may want to change where you place that hand. Some people use it as a placement like on the sacrum, or if they're working higher up, they may place on the neck and then work down like into the lats or something like that. So, but that hand is pretty gentle. There's not a lot of pressure going on. We're just placing it there as a connection. And as a comfort for our client as we do deeper work. So my name is Beth and I'm with Cantado Wellness, and this is your Technique Tuesday. I hope you have a great day and we'll see you next week.